What's up YouTube, Kanye back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create custom desktop shortcuts with your own icons. Without further ado, get into it. Alright, so this has been a long requested video. So pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to have a PNG. If you don't have a PNG, you got to have a JPEG, but I'm going to show you both ways on how to do this. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to get your YouTube or whatever URL that you want to have on your desktop. So for me, in this example, I'm going to do my YouTube channel. All right. So in a previous video, I showed you how to create desktop shortcuts. So what you're going to do first thing is create your desktop shortcut. All you do is click on this little lock right here, drag it to your desktop. As you can see, I now have an Edge shortcut. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and get your photo that you want to use. For me, I'm going to use my Kainu right there. I have a JPEG right there originally. So if I open that up right there, as you can see, it's a JPEG. You cannot use a JPEG. You have to turn it into a PNG. So the way that you turn it into a PNG is by using a website like pixlr.com right here. All you're gonna do is come in and create new, and then make one that is 48 by 48, and then click on create. Once you click on create, you're gonna see your new little canvas right there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring in your JPEG by clicking on, let me show you guys that again. I did that kind of quick. You're gonna click on the plus up here in the top right, click on plus, and then image, and then find the image that's the JPEG that you wanna add. If you are using a PNG, keep in mind you do not have to do this. So click on open right there. And as you can see, mine came in rather large. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and size it down. So I hold down shift and then go ahead and drag it until it's small enough to fit onto the canvas. And then I zoom back in. I'm just zooming in and out by using the scroll wheel on my mouse, but you can also come down to the bottom and click on zoom out or zoom in. So all you do is you size it to the canvas, get it to a good size where you want it to be. Right there, for me, it's gonna look a little blurry, but when you actually save it, it's not gonna be blurry. So once you're done, you get it to the side of the canvas. What you do is you click on save, and then you're gonna click on PNG, and then click on save as, and then title it whatever you want to save it, and then save, boom. And then now you have a PNG, the size that you need it to be an icon. Next up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna need to change the PNG into an icon file. So to do that, you have to go to convertico.com. I don't know how many saves you get on this website or how many uploads you get on this website per day. On pixlr.com, without a premium account, you get 3 saves, so you can make 3 URLs. On this website, it could be 3, it could be more, I don't know. I've done 2 so far. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna drop your PNG file right here. So go ahead and find your PNG right there. For me, it's Kainu. I click on that, and then as you can see, I now have an icon file. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this icon right there. It downloads for me right there. So now it's in my downloads. We go back to the desktop and we see our bookmark right there. What you're gonna do is right click on it and then go to show more options and then click on properties. Once you click on properties, you're gonna see change icon right there. Go ahead and click on change icon, and then you're gonna click on browse. You're gonna browse to the location where you saved your icon at. For me, it's in downloads. Go ahead and click on that. And then you're gonna see right there, it's selected, and then click on OK, and then click on apply. And then finally, OK. And then as you can see right there, I now have a Kainu Tech with a Kainu logo as a desktop shortcut. But that is how you create custom desktop shortcuts. You may have to watch this video 1, 2, or 3 times just to get the gist of everything that is going on. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.